Good morning, Rax. Today is Wednesday, June 10th. Today is National Iced Tea Day. Not that iced tea. Anyways, three big things for you. We're talking about respect this week with the Counselors Connect series and kind of respecting what you want. Link your decisions and choices to your purpose in life. Kind of like things here at the end of the school year. Push through the end so you get to where you want to go. Hey, have you made sure that you're picking up your stuff by the end of next week at school? If not, it might be thrown away. Arrange to go get to school at some point. Martina's got a sign-up sheet. Contact the school so they know you're coming at the right time. And don't give up on this year. There's still time to pass it. We got a week, less than a week left of classes. I'm going to be doing phys ed through the end of next Friday, so you can still catch up with mine. But a lot of things are closing up, but don't wait until the last moment to get it done because we're almost there. Happy birthday goes out to Vicky. Happy birthday to Vicky. And that is it for Wednesday, the final Wednesday of classes that we have this year. Have a great day, Rex.